Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2022 17 Montauk. What a great little boat this is. It was redesigned in 2018 and they just did a fantastic job. It's a much drier boat, much smoother ride boat. It's just a phenomenal boat. It's powered by the Mercury 115. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 17 Montauk. Let's start at the back. Again, it's the Mercury 115 horsepower. Great little motor on this. It gets it right up on plane in just a couple of seconds. And also the top end for this boat, very high top end of. You'll be really happy with it. Seating in the back, set up very nicely. You've got two very comfortable seats. If you're out fishing, this comes off. This comes out. Now you can actually stand up on here and you got non-skids. You can actually, when you're fishing, you can sit on this here. You can be facing backwards very comfortably, which is a nice feature. And then if you're running the boat, now it's set up for a real comfortable helm seat. So the helm is pretty simple, but it's really nice. You got the traditional wheel, a steering wheel on it, and Montauk right on there. You've got a Marine. You got a nice size GPS on it. Gives you good depth as well. So very nice dash, a couple of drink holders on it as well. So nice setup. You've got handrails that go all along. You've got the higher rails, so this is a little bit safer than the low boys that come down here. So nice feature there. The Bimini top is a good size Bimini top for a 17-foot boat, and it gives you good sun coverage. It comes right back down if you want the sun. Just folds nice and neatly right down. Takes less than a minute. Moving forward, I got storage underneath the helm. And then I've got a very good large size cooler which doubles as a seat. So you can sit two people here. Got rod holders, place for knives and hooks and type of thing all built in here. I've got a fish box underneath here and then an ankle locker here. And then the split rail, which makes it very easy to get on and off the boat. So if you're beaching the boat, you go right up onto the beach, you can still easily get on and off the boat right with the split bow rail. So that's a really nice feature. You've got the bow cushion on here is for a sun pad. Real comfortable for just hanging out. And again, the ride is just off the charts on this little 17-foot boat. You'll absolutely love it. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.